Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can download the VN editor in MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the App Store. If you want to open the App Store from here, you can also do that, or if you want to open the App Store from here, you have to click on the Apple logo and then simply you need to click on the App Store. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, what we need to do, simply we have to write the VN here. So I'm going to write the VN and then simply we have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see, the VN will be open. So as you can see, has an VN, so we need to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see here, you will get the icon like this, or you can get the get button as well. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, the VN video editors, the installation process will be started. It will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading. It's up to your internet speed, and you can see the details as well here. So after that, you will be able to use this. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the VN video editor in MacBook OS, how you can install it. So see you guys in the next video.